Da, da, da. Da, da, da.
So when we look at a terrazzo floor, most of what our eye sees are the chips, the aggregate. Anywhere from usually 75 to 85% of the floor is a dense concentration of chips. So for that reason, a lot of designers put a lot of thought into the chips. So chips can be one color, can be multiple colors, can be one material, can be multiple materials, could be a single size, could be different sizes. Here you see probably 2 or 3 different shades or different materials of marble chips in a white binder. And you see some very fine aggregate intermixed with the larger aggregate. So these are examples of a variety of aggregate that's used in a single installation. Glass is very popular because it's a recycled material. If you want a more natural material, you can go with a marble or granite or river rock. Throw in some mother of pearl, which is a seashell, kind of a pearlescent type of finish. We've seen shards of mirror for a very reflective finish, and you can be very creative on your aggregate. We've had designers wanting to do crazy things like metal shavings, aluminum shavings. Aggregate is categorized by its size based on the size of screen that it passes through and the size of screen it's subsequently retained on. So the lower the number, the finer the aggregate. There's also a 00 and a 000. A 000 would be considered dust, very, very fine. Conventional terrazzo has 1s, 2s, and 3s. You can get super big chips, you can get super small chips. You pay a premium for the very fine aggregate and for the very large aggregate. The large aggregate would be considered Venetian terrazzo, and we'll talk more about that. I'll show some examples coming up. But here, the 3 in the middle are the more standard type of looks that terrazzo generally can provide without a premium to the cost.